Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore taxable account strategy with interactive brokers. To restore your taxable account strategy with interactive brokers, start by logging into your interactive brokers account. Navigate to the main dashboard once logged in. Click on that Account Management tab at the top of the page. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings section, find Account Configuration and click on it. Locate the option for Tax Information. Review the current tax settings for your account. If changes are needed, click on Edit to modify your tax information. Ensure that your tax residency status is correctly reflected. Next, check your withholding preferences to align with your strategy. After making any updates, save your changes. Return to the main dashboard and click on Balances. Review your account balances to identify any realized or unrealized gains. To analyze your tax situation, go to the Reports section. Select Tax Forms to view any relevant tax reports. Generate the realized gain/loss report for your taxable account. Review the report closely for any adjustments needed in your strategy. Next, go to the Investment section to reassess your portfolio. Consider reallocating assets based on your updated tax strategy. Use the Portfolio Builder tool to explore potential investment options. Evaluate tax-efficient investment choices that align with your goals. Revisit your trading history to identify patterns that may affect your taxable situation. Apply any necessary changes to your trading strategy for better tax efficiency. Once you have finalized your strategy, start executing trades that align with your updated plan. Regularly review your portfolio to ensure you stay on track with your goals. Finally, schedule periodic checks throughout the year to assess your tax strategy's effectiveness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.